The sun rose up like a bloodshot eye, and the crows flew south through a poison sky. The wind blew hot from a northern land, and the mountains crumbled in the desert sand. The trees all whispered a silent prayer, while the oceans choked on the smoky air. In the rain it fell, but the ground just cracked. That was the day the rivers ran back. When the rivers ran backward and the sky turned gray, the earth cried out, but we looked away. The clock spun wild, the seasons went slack, and we kept on marching when the rivers ran back. The fields turned black where the green once grew, and the stars blinked out like they never knew. The fish swam up to the highest hill, while the frost kissed flames that refused to chill. The wolves all howled at a silent moon, and the night fell early, but the dawn came too soon. We sold the future for a diamond stack, and didn't even notice when the rivers ran back. When the rivers ran backward and the sky turned gray, the earth cried out, but we looked away. The clock spun wild, the seasons went slack, and we kept on marching when the rivers ran back. There's a ghost in the soil, a ghost in the rain, a ghost in the thunder, and a ghost in the grain. The past keeps screaming, but the present won't crack. Still we dance in the ruins as the rivers run back. So if you wake one day and the birds don't sing, if the winter's too warm or the summer's too sting, remember this song, the truth that it tracks. It all fell apart when the rivers ran back. When the rivers ran backward and the sky turned gray, the earth cried out, but we looked away. The clock spun wild, the seasons went slack, and we kept on marching when the rivers ran back. When the rivers ran back. Ran back.
Thank you. Thank you. That was When the Rivers Run Back, a song about the moment we realize it's too late. When the rivers have reversed, the forests have turned to dust, and the air tastes like regret. But we're not there yet. If you've read The Girl Who Rode the Unicorn, you know it's more than just a story. It's a warning, a history of our future waiting to be written. It's about a girl chasing the last living dream through a world we broke. About a creature that should never have existed, in a world where nothing should have survived. And here we are. We don't have a unicorn to guide us, but we still have rivers that run forward, trees that breathe for us, oceans that ache but still live. The story isn't over. Yet.